My funded futures has come out with the best deal in the prop firm space. As more competition comes in, companies need to evolve, and prop firms need to evolve in order to essentially keep traders coming to them and presenting the best opportunities for traders. Well, my funded futures has done that. They are evolving. They're changing the way they structure their starter account, and it has become quite literally the best deal in the prop firm space. Now, I'm going to tell you my personal opinion on this and who I still prefer, right? But we are going to cover my funded futures in this video and go over exactly what it is that they're offering now. Now, if you guys like this kind of content, smash the like button. Guys, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So to catch those live streams, hit that subscribe button. And guys, the things I'm putting on this channel to help you guys become better and just overall documenting my journey in trading, right? The things I put on this channel is to help you become better. And these are things that, you know, gurus put in their paid courses. And I'm going to give it all to you for absolutely free. I am never, and let me say that again, never going to sell you a paid course or sell you literally anything. I used to be the guy with a paid course, and I no longer do that because I don't want to be like everybody else. And so now I'm giving it all away for totally free. So just subscribe. Guys, let's get into my funded futures. All right. Let me share my screen here. Bang, bang. Guys, this is my funded futures. We're going to go over the tweet that they put out here in a little bit, but this is the total. This is the account that they currently have, and then we're going to go over what they're changing to. So currently what they have for their starter is they have a 50K for $100 a month, 100K for $200 a month, and 150K for $300 a month, right? And here's all the profit targets, the contract sizes. One thing I do like about my funded futures, and I do respect this a lot, and I think also, like, I think Topstep should honestly do this too, is removing the daily loss limit. There should not be a daily loss limit. Traders should be good enough and disciplined enough to set their own daily loss limit. But if we're dealing with drawdown, traders should have their max drawdown to play with. And if they blow it, they blow it. It's on them, right? Ultimately, that would help the prop firm. But anyways, I like that they have no daily loss limit. Their max drawdowns here on each account, drawdown mode, activation fee, and scaling rule, right? Now, this is what they currently have. This is what they are switching to. And we're going to scroll up here and go to the 50K account, right? So the 50K account, what used to be $100 a month is now $80 a month with a reset fee of $50. This reset fee is honestly quite nice. It's a lot cheaper than I think others. But anyways, $80 a month for 50K. The end of day drawdown is $2,500. Now, I know I just covered the daily loss limit. They did add in a daily loss limit. I don't like that. I think they should stick with this no daily loss limit. They did add in a $1,200 daily loss limit with a $2,500 end of day drawdown, right? And total profit target is $3,000. Now, as far as consistency rules, they have a 40% consistency rule. We're going to go over that here in a little bit. They allow 3 minis, so on and so forth, guys. You guys can read through this. But going to the 100K account, the 100K account is now $150 a month versus $200. The end of day drawdown is $3,500 with a daily loss limit of $2,400, and the profit target is $6,000. You can trade 6 minis. Reset fee is $70. Going to the 150K, which is honestly the account sizes that I prefer. I just 150K, you have more drawdown, so on and so forth. But anyways, 150K account, 220 used to be 300. All right, now. The end of day drawdown is $5,000. This is more than what other prop firms offer you. I think Topstep is $4,500. Now the drawdown is $5,000. End of day or the daily loss limit is $3,600. Profit target $9,000. Again, with the consistency rule of 40%, you can trade up to 9 minis with scaling, and there's no activation fee. And guys, I love this is huge. I love that there's no activation fee. Right, this $200, this $220 to start an account and then have no activation fee to pay after. Mint, bro, that is so good. And guys, they used to have, it was $149 for the activation fee. Now, not only have they lowered prices on their accounts, not only have they lowered prices, but they just completely removed the activation fee. That's solid. That's solid in my opinion. So let's go to the consistency rule here, and we're just going to type in consistency. All right. So there is no consistency rule on the challenge phase. However, in the simulated funded stage, there is a 40% consistency rule. The 40% consistency rule during the simulated funded stage means that profits from one trading day cannot equal or be greater than 40% of total profits made. Right? If you make a total of $10,000 in sim profits, and in one day you have made 4,500, which is beyond the 40% consistency rule, then you must continue trading and make more profits until the profits of every trading day will be less than 40% of total profits. For example, if you make $2,000 more profits, the total profits made will be 12,000, and now 4,500 will be less than 40% of total profits made, so you'll be able to withdraw. I don't really like the consistency rule, but it does take out, the whole gambling thing and being able to withdraw money and keeping traders level-headed, so to speak, versus them just YOLOing and making a crap ton of money and then withdrawing it. Now, one thing I do like about My Fund of Futures is that you can actually withdraw up to 100% of your balance. Right, your drawdown is locked in at 150,100 after first payout, but your balance, 100% of your available balance is withdrawable, and that's something I really do like, because if you just want to just lock it up, take your money and run, you can lock it up, take your money and run. That's one thing I do like about what My Fund of Futures has done there. But comparing this to Topstep now, obviously Topstep's prices are still a little bit cheaper. However, you still have the activation fee, right? Which My Fund of Futures does not have an activation fee. So if you put it all together, right? Say you buy a $150,000 account for $149. Well, that activation fee is $149. So you're looking at, was it 149 plus 149? That's 298, right? 298. Do quick math. Be 149 plus 149, 298. Like I said, $298 all in, right? Here you're paying 220. So the upfront initial cost for a combine is cheaper than what My Fund of Future has, but if you pass, then the all-in for Topstep is more than what you would pay at My Fund of Futures all-in. So technically speaking, My Fund of Futures all-in is cheaper than Topstep, and so that presents the better deal. And now something else that I do like is that Topstep's, you have a little bit more wiggle room on drawdown with My Fund of Futures. Topstep's max daily loss or max loss limit is 4,500, where My Fund of Futures is 5,000. So you have a little bit more wiggle room as far as drawdown goes. So if you had to say who has the better deal when it comes to My Fund of Futures and Topstep, obviously My Fund of Futures has the best deal right now. In this very moment, My Fund of Futures is the best deal. Now, who I would recommend going with is a different story. I would fully and still recommend you go with Topstep. And guys, there's multiple reasons behind this. One, Topstep has been in the industry for years. 2010, Topstep came around and everybody else kind of followed. The CEO was a trader in the pit. He is a real trader. So this prop firm was created by the traders, like OG traders that were on the pit for traders. And so they've been in the industry for a very long time. Their platform that they have going on, their accounts, everything they have is structured in a way to honestly help you become a good trader. Do I think they can remove some of the things like the daily loss limit? Yes, I think they could remove that. And as far as being easier to pass, it's My Fund of Futures is probably easier to pass. But guys, Topstep has been in the industry for some time and they're not going anywhere. If I had to say who is going to be in the industry the longest or continue to be in the industry for the next 10 years, it is going to be Topstep. Topstep is going to be here for a very long time. They're not going anywhere. They are here to stay. So I always recommend Topstep. If you want to check them out, there's a link in the description below. Go check them out for yourselves. And guys, happy trading. Be patient, be focused, be disciplined. Use these prop firms to your advantage. They are providing a low barrier to entry when it comes to trading. And so I highly recommend you guys use this to your advantage. Don't trade a personal account if you don't need to, right? You don't need to trade a personal account. Use these prop firms, build up your capital, and pay yourself. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is, are you paying yourself, right? Guys, again, if you like this kind of content, smash that like button down below. Again, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday, where you can catch me live day trading the NASDAQ, catch my full tilt moments, my big green days, my big losing days, to catch it all right here live on YouTube. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.